Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Tesla Model Y front bumper. Start by ensuring your Tesla Model Y is safely elevated on a lift or jack stands. Then, carefully remove both front wheels to gain access to the fender liner fasteners. For your safety and to prevent electrical issues, always disconnect the 12-volt battery located in the frunk. Next, you will need to remove approximately 25 fasteners, securing the fender liners and underbody aero shields. With the wheels off, gently pull back the fender liners. You'll find several clips and screws holding them in place. Once the liners are free, remove the large underbody aero shield. This step reveals additional fasteners that secure the lower part of the front bumper. Take your time to identify all remaining bolts and clips before proceeding to the next stage. Before fully removing the bumper, you must disconnect all electrical connections. This includes the 2 fog light connectors, one on each side. Also, carefully unplug the main wiring harness for the parking sensors, usually located near the center. If your Model Y has a headlight washer system, gently detach the washer fluid hose to prevent spills. Ensure all connections are free before pulling the bumper away. Now, with all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the front bumper is ready for separation. Gently pull the bumper straight out from the vehicle, starting from the sides. It is highly recommended to have a second person assist you to support the bumper's weight and prevent any accidental drops or scratches. Once free, carefully place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to avoid any damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.